Hello everybody, today we're talking about the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10 transfer case and the issue that it has. So this is specific to an Evo 10MR as well as a RalliArt with the SST transmission. From the factory, they don't put in a seal right here, even though the groove is for it. There's no O-ring seal for the RalliArt and Evo 10 MR configurations that have the SST transmission. So what ends up happening if you don't have a seal here and the transmission's made it to here, you actually have water coming in and then it goes into these splines and ends up seizing them, ruining them. So we'll get some close-ups. And we'll get the case off. So that is the issue with the Evo 10 MR and RalliArt cars.